When our solar plexus chakra is underactive or blocked, we feel envious of others. We blame others or things for our broke situation. The solar plexus is the center for our identity, confidence, personality, strengths, willpower, and taking action. It is a masculine chakra made of the element of fire. It is called the solar plexus, and it is yellow because it is literally our inner sun. When balanced, we radiate sunlight in the physical world, believing that what we are doing adds meaning to people's lives. No one with a block solar is making good money. It's impossible because the foundation of that condition is low self-worth, low self-esteem, low motivation, therefore leading to procrastination. The foundation of a block solar plexus is a trapped emotion of anger and bitterness that happened below the age of 7 years old. Other common emotions trapped in that area are discouragement, rejection, guilt, conflict, frustration, depression, panic, terror. To balance the solar plexus, you need to release these trapped emotions. I personally use the emotion code technique and bring your attention to that center below your rib cage daily for 10 to 21 days while creating fractals of coherence. Do solar plexus yoga poses like the warrior 1, 2, and 3 and the plank. Write down solar plexus affirmations like, I can do everything that I desire. I release judgment of others and of myself. I am the embodiment of confidence. The fire within me burns through all blocks and fears. Consume motivational audios while going to the gym. Pick up a martial art or running. My personal superpower is a sun bath, where I sit in front of the sun for 5 minutes and I energetically connect my inner sun with our sun Ra. I talk to the sun through telepathy. Like all the planets in the universe, our sun has a soul. I say, thank you, dear sun, for clearing my energy field, for showing me the light, for always showing up for me day after day, proving me life. I'm so grateful for your light and teachings. And then I feel the ray of light hitting my energy field, rejuvenating me. Comment below your spiritual journey questions.